Let me show you how to create such photo manipulation in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Open and select Background Image. Image's link is provided in description. From File select Place Embedded to add Object Image. Decrease the opacity of image. Place it accordingly to look like pop out. After placing image accordingly, hide top layer. Select background layer. Using quick selection tool, select phone screen portion. Then unhide top layer. Using polygonal lasso tool, make selection of portion which will be seen pop out. Follow the process using polygonal lasso tool. Right-click and select inverse. Right-click and rasterize top layer. Press Delete button. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Increase the opacity of image. From Adjustment layer, select Exposure. Follow these settings. From Layer Style, enable Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Now enable Inner Glow. Follow these settings. That's it for today. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other Photoshop tutorials. Thank you.